I'm Will. This is my burrito, and then this is my bike. This is the watermelon bike, copy of Aaron Ross's. Sorry. Starting off at the front, I got Fly Reuben grips in red. They're 150 and 5 millimeters. They're pretty sweet. I got the We the People Mad Max bars. I got them powder coated. They are 28.75 wide and 8.75 rise. I got a premium sub 10 stem. It has a 50 millimeter reach, and that was powder coated. I got the Eclot headset in green. It's okay. It doesn't spin that well for bar spins, but it's fine, I guess. I got Odyssey Director forks. Those are probably the best forks I've had. They're green. They're powder coated. They were offset. They have an offset, so there's no dropouts. And then for my front wheel, I have an Odyssey Vandero hub. I got that powder coated pink because it was limited edition and I missed the time period where it was being sold. I got Primo 14 gauge white, like extra thick spokes. So I've only broken 2 of them, so they're pretty strong. They come loose every once in a while, but all spokes do. Odyssey Hazard Light rims. I really like them. They're the only triple walled rims, to my knowledge. And then I got an Aaron Ross 2.35 tire. It's not like P-Light or K-Light or whatever. It's just normal. It's a little bit heavy, but I don't know. I like it. The frame is a 2011 Sunday Funday. It's pretty sweet. I love it. You know, I got a few stickers on there. I got the Sunday sticker. I got that from Jim C. That was pretty cool. I met Aaron Ross, and he signed my frame. So, that was sweet. Thank you. Hey, you. I got... It's a 21-inch top tube, and it has a really short back end, so it's good for spinning and stuff. So, I recommend the frame, except for the chain tensioners in the back. I bent like 4 different chain tensioners, so I would recommend just getting the external ones, because something about this frame, it doesn't hold the chain tight, so I would get those. Up top I got the Federal Slim seat clamp, and then like a wedge, the animal wedge post. The animal wedge post didn't even work for me. Maybe it's just me, but honestly, it sucked. Yeah, I got the Federal or Premium fat seat. I like it. It doesn't hurt your ass. I mean, but I got Colony Fantastic pedals. They are quite fantastic. The good thing about them, they don't wear down. Like the pins, they stay pretty much intact. So that's good. I got the Odyssey Twombolt cranks in pink, I guess. Those are great 2-piece, so you don't have to worry about like any of those pinch bolts on the side. I got the Eclot bottom bracket. I don't know, it's a bottom bracket. Here, wait, let me put my burrito down. Wait. Okay. Okay, on this side of my bike, I got the Eclot sprocket, the Sylar something, I don't know. It's pretty sweet, 25 tooth. And then I got the new Colt half-link chain. I've only had it for like a week. I mean, it's fine so far. Then the back wheel, it is an Odyssey Vandero 3 hub. It's had a few problems with the driver coming loose, but overall it's a pretty good hub. Yeah, I don't know. Same, the Primo 14 gauge spokes and the same Odyssey Hazard Light rim. And this time in the back I have a Aaron Ross tire 2.1. And a cool thing about my bike is I have these. I got the female axle for the back, so that's pretty cool. And I think I left out my pegs. I run a 3-peg setup. I have 2 animal butcher pegs in the front, which I do not recommend. They do not slide. They're good for stalls, and every peg is good for stalls, so they suck. And then I have the G Sport hub guards. Those are good. I mean, a zip tie will snap every so often, but that's about it. And then in the back, I have an Animal MK3 peg. That is a good peg. I do recommend that peg. That slides well. Same with the G Sport hub guard. Yo. Yo, Pina, yo, Pina.